Videotape you guys some more. Just continue. Pretend it's not the paparazzi. All you can do is become famous, Grandma. That's it.
Oh, sure. Okay? Yeah.
Nothing happened.
Go, bird.
Come on, I keep falling.
Keep falling, keep falling.
Shift it, hey.
Can't cheat, Grandma.
That ought to be good. Come on. This one's on his head, side. Now we've got one left.
Ooh, you did it good. But that's
Yeah,
still two
it's
left.
not going to touch those two.
They better not put us on the third level. We're going to be in trouble.
Those are the hard ones to get.
But I said they had like 5 levels. I said we can't even do the second one.
That was my second turn. Your turn.
Switching grandmas.
That should be good. Wait for a little more. That's good. Now aim at this part right here.
Where about? Up at the top?
Right here. Well, that's good. But now do you have another bird?
2.
Okay.
Too far. There ain't no pigs in there.
No.
Okay, here goes. I thought I could.
That was just 1, 2 left. I'll take another turn. Oh, they don't give you another turn.
I think I shot too many out the first time.
Come on. I guess that's all it's going to do.
Those are blue.
That's good.
Didn't do anything. Oh, okay. You have to wait. You have to wait and see what you did. You let the guy's hanging up, that one's hanging up. That's no good.
Another one the same way might do.
I got him right in the head.
Okay, that got
There's
rid of
those 2
this
buggers
top
on the
one.
bottom and we can't
Got
get.
another one. That should be good.
1.
You got one left.
Well, we'll fail because we